What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Texture back in another video. Today we're looking at a very unique device here, and this is a Galaxy Projector by Pococo. I've never seen anything like it, so we're gonna test it out today, and let's see how well it does. So here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Everything will be linked down in the description below. It is an affiliate links, and it does help the channel a lot if you buy it from there. So here we go. So what you get out of here is a bunch of literature right there. It comes with a USB-C adapter as well. A few of these sample diamond stars on this one, and the Western Lawn 2. So those are the ones that comes in the box. Here it comes with the projector itself as well, and that's really it for that. This is like kind of like their instruction manual right here. It's also like a kind of like a poster. See what else in here. There it is. So each one will have multiple things as well. This has black hole projection, moon phases, full moon, meteor shower, a bunch of different stuff here. Andromeda. This guy has a delicious moment, so they can do like not just galaxies, they have different, this is like food right here. This one is transportation, animal park, dinosaur kingdom. So it's really good for kids. Different stuff they can use here. Underwater world. The last one but not least has the purple Fuji mountain, alpine aurora, Santorini sunset, wow, pyramid sky, Maldives memoirs, and the starry beach. Now, Pococo is crafted with 7 layers of high transmission optical lenses and up to 2 million resolution, paired with 5K Ultra HD discs from real space images. It's not just those fake stars or galaxies. This actually represents real space images. It has a large projection area as well, with a wide angle lens with 78 degrees field of view for ultra large projection area. It also has adjustment and rotation. It has a 30 degrees adjustment so that you can kind of tilt it a little bit or you can rotate it. It is also budget friendly. It is only 1/3 of the competitors with the same quality. It is also a perfect gift idea for a lot of people that wants to use this. The disc provides a calming vibe, which makes it a perfect present for anyone, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, for children as well, Valentine's Day or Christmas. It has a low carbon design as well. They designed the Pococo with the carbon impact out of the products by using recycled materials, including ABS and PC. The packaging is made out of paper trays as well, and it's fully recyclable. There are 3 buttons here. There's the power button, and then there's the timer. You can change the timer as well. There's a USB-C slot there so that you can charge it, and then once you press it, it'll turn on the projector. You can then take out the tray on the side so that you can pick in one of these little discs here. Pick one of them that you want to use. Once you've picked one, you're just gonna take it out of the case there, take out the disc and put it on the tray, and then put in the tray into the projector, and you are good to go. Turn off the lights and see the magic happen. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new Galaxy Projector, and pretty much different sceneries as well that you can use for your home. This is good for kids, or maybe if you want to set a scene with your special someone, you can do that as well. This is recommended for people who wants to kind of design their ceiling in a very romantic, very crazy way. It doesn't take any effort at all. You just get one of these and you just project any of their discs here, and you can change the scenery within seconds. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Everything is an affiliate link, and it does help the channel a lot if you buy it from there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.